we'll take actors point. So, Srini, thanks for coming. My question to you is, would you be interested to work in a regular stream of filmmakers where a lot of people struggling, and where you will be having so much of an identity, self-identity? Rather, if you could get a platform where you can promote yourself better, you can execute things better by using a smaller scale, smaller canvas. What do you think?
I would prefer the smaller ones. ఎందుకంటే పెద్ద స్ట్రీమ్లోకి వెళ్ళేసరికి యాజ్ అండ్ when it comes to big producers, big directors, big actors, big artists, heroines, అక్కడ ఏమైపోతుందంటే ఫర్ అప్కమింగ్ బడ్డింగ్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ గుంపులో గోవింద రేంజ్లో ఉంటుందండి, నథింగ్ మోర్ దెన్ దట్. బట్ వేరస్ when it comes to a new team, let it be a new director, new production house, smaller equipment, smaller group, and who are trying to make it big. అక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే when you do something wholeheartedly, you tend to get that kind of recognition what you're looking for.
So, where would you be satisfied? Where is your creative satisfaction comes? Like the bigger cinema being a smaller part of the bigger cinema, or bigger part of the smaller cinema?
A bigger part of the smaller city.
And if there is a given chance that voluntarily somebody asks you, can you give some time to a smaller cinema wherein they won't be, they couldn't be affording bigger budgets for you, they couldn't be facilitating you better, they couldn't be better treatment, but they are passionate about real film, real independent cinema, and they are trying to do something passionate. What do you think? Yes?
Okay, in this case, as an artist, నాకు అనిపించేది ఏంటంటే ఇట్స్ నాట్ ది మనీ. ఒక యాక్టర్కి ఇఫ్ హీస్ గాట్ ద జీలనం దట్ హీ వాంట్స్ టు యాక్ట్, హీ వాంట్స్ టు ప్రూవ్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్ యాజ్ అన్ యాక్టర్, దెన్ యాజ్ అన్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఐ ప్రిఫర్ దిస్ స్మాలర్ థింగ్.
What do you see the trend right now? People are watching, regular filmmakers are there, they are making their own content, they are repeating the content, re-repeating the content. And few people are struggling to make some new content, they are not getting platform, they are not getting the resources. So what's your take on independent cinema?
This is one big issue that we need to address. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు slowly, I don't want to take anybody's name, but big people are trying to suppress all these small guys because they are trying to involve corporates in it. Corporate అనేది ఒకటిసారి వాపస్ వచ్చిందంటే if they come into the industry, ఏమైపోతుందంటే చిన్నవాళ్ళకి పని ఉండదు. And if they need to produce, if they need to pump in money, they'll only ask for big names, big budgets, big faces. Selling factors. So I don't think we're going in the right direction. రోజు our standards are going down as in when it comes to the film industry. ఎందుకంటే నేను చేశాను, I've done 2-3 movies. ఆ తర్వాత ఏమైంది? Nothing. I've done it with big people. What after that?
So why do people crave to find a little space in a bigger frame rather than when they have opportunities like few people, few young people like them, they come up with brilliant ideas and they try to struggle and they try to get something and they give an opportunity. Why do actors like, I'm not taking names, I'm not talking about bigger names. Why don't they encourage the
that is where the misconception comes in. పెద్ద సినిమాలో చిన్న పాత్ర వేసినా నేను నెక్స్ట్ టైం మాకు వేరే టకా 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 మాకు వచ్చేస్తాయి అనుకుంటారు, ఆఫర్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి అనుకుంటారు. బట్ హౌ మెనీ హ్యావ్ మేడ్ ఇట్ బిగ్? హౌ మెనీ హూ హ్యావ్ నాట్ మేడ్ ఇట్ బిగ్? వీ కెన్ కౌంట్ ఆన్ ఫిగర్స్. ఎందుకంటే నాట్ మెనీ పీపుల్ వాళ్ళకి లక్ ఉండి ఎక్స్ట్రా కరిక్యులర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఉంటే, లెట్ మీ ఎంఫసైజ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా కరిక్యులర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఉంటే దే మేక్ ఇట్ బిగ్.
అండర్స్టాండ్. కట్